You've been down this road for far too long. He left your love behind, but still you keep on crawling back despite the pain inside. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you'll see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me. Your tears, they say 1,000 words. I've heard them all before. The ones who love the most, my dear, are the ones left hurting more. He broke you down with no remorse. Now who will heal the bruise? The one you hold in your heart is standing right in front of you. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you'll see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me.
So I'm at the airport and I'm going to Mumbai for a special cause. So keep watching my channel and you'll find out why I'm going to Mumbai. So it's amazing to be back and travel again. So it was a sudden plan and one of my friend is getting married, actually got married, and we're going to have a reception party in Mumbai. So I'll be staying at Karan's place and then we'll be heading towards the wedding, and we'll have something going on in the Mumbai right now. So we'll have some Mumbai darshan. I'll show you how it works and just keep watching. Boarding time. So that's very special. Karan is my best friend, stays in Mumbai. We were together in Bangalore. We had spent like 5 years and then we are meeting after a decade. So that's the beauty why I'm going on an urgent basis. Landed.
আস্তে 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 নেমে না বাবার হাত আস্তে আস্তে নামো
Hey guys, so my cloth didn't arrive, so I have to go with Karan and I have to buy some new clothes for the event, but I don't know whether I'll get my clothes today or not. A lot of gifts were there, so I'm feeling very bad about it. But this is Mumbai, so I'm staying in Pali Hills right now at Karan's house. So yesterday my mood was not so good, so this is how it looks, Mumbai, and I really like this area. Not revealing the area's name, but now we'll be heading towards a shop to buy some clothes and then towards the event. Once we finish it, then we'll plan something about, you know, going to the airport and collect my luggage. This is where I am right now. Right, it's a busy street.
क्या करना है, करना क्या है?
हाँ ये सही बात पूछा है।
क्या डाल देना है? ये थोड़ी है अनाप शनाप नहीं डालते हैं इसके अंदर। Happy you guys are here.
चल झूठे
Can someone throw him out?
not from here
I'm so happy because this group includes my past, my present, my future. This group has everyone who kind of made me, has everyone who's a part of our story of a beginning, and has everyone who's going to be a part of our story. So I'm so glad for all of you who have come here and the ones who left early. I'm so glad you guys are here. You guys have been a part of us and will continue to be a part of us. So thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Silence guys. अबे बोल।
No, but thank you so much. Thank you everyone from coming all the way to attend our wedding. We started from 15th.
अबे हिस्ट्री ले बोलना, कुछ अच्छा कुछ बोल।
But thank you everybody who's joined us here. Thank you my Deloitte gang.
इसके लिए
Him because he's come all the way from Kolkata. He's
Thank you.
Thank you Manu's mentor. She's traveled all the way from Singapore
My Lita!
to attend this party. Thank you so much for being a part of our celebration.
he also came all the way from Malad
Thank you, Tessa.
अबे ही स्पेशल भाई।
it almost took the same time
हाँ yeah.
No guys, but Manu's talking about being here.
And the party still on, so
Please enjoy. Continue having the food.
बस इसके लिए गाड़ी खत्म। ओके बाय बाय, खत्म, टाटा बाय बाय कर दिया इसका। टू नाइस पार्टी प्लेस। अभी रात के ऑलमोस्ट 1:30 बजे, तो अभी हुक्का लेके बैठे हम लोग, तो अभी चलेगा। सो दिस इज मुंबई पाली हिल्स वेयर आई एम स्टेइंग। दैट साइड इज शाहरुख खान्स हाउस, दैट साइड। लुक एट द बिल्डिंग्स। कैन एनीबडी से व्हाई दिस ब्लिंकर्स आर ब्लिंकिंग? I know the answer, but you guys tell me. So this is the area that I'm staying. It's quite popular and quite posh. A lot of celebrities stays here, so I'm currently here. I'm not revealing the location, but this is really good. So I'm going to Linking Road right now, and we have some changes in plan. We'll see. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। फाइनली अच्छा ट्रिपी है, साहिल को भी पसंद आएगा। ट्रिपी है बहुत, सामने अच्छा लाइक इट। boarding was from T1, so they have brought the flight. So this is Akasha, and we are in T2 now. Okay, finally touched down Kolkata after a lot of thing. I was supposed to, was not able to board the flight, and finally I did after running.